And I'm Sam.
And we are making fried rice and orange chicken.
Basic.
So, Sam, what are you doing over here?
Well, if you look at the flick of the wrist, you can see that I'm whisking some eggs.
Really?
They're quite whisked, so I think they're ready.
Do you or Martha Stewart do it better?
Personally, I think probably Martha Stewart. But
Interesting. Wow. What did you just do right there? That was very confusing.
What I did was
I
started a fire in the hearts of
Wow.
my followers.
Everybody, just look at how blue this flame is right here. This is unbelievable. Wow. So again, Jordan, does Sam or Martha Stewart do this better?
Sam, definitely.
Bet.
That one's my specialty.
Oh, by the way, we have a very special guest here today. Her name is Sam Jr.
Hello.
Sam, that was interesting. I thought you were about to twerk for us for a second there.
Well,
I don't know if that's allowed in this professional kitchen.
I'll get to that. Oh, here it is.
You'll get to that, okay.
Welcome back to Walk Wars. I'm Jordan.
Sam, what do you got there? That looks a little intimidating. Are those safe?
No, but they are in the right hands. And luckily, my hands are the right hands. Sometimes.
Are they good hands?
Oh, they're good hands. This is a spatula, and this is a spoon.
So what do you do with those things?
Well, you can do a lot of things with these things, but what I'm doing with them right here is cooking rice. So right now we're warming up the oil. It'll be hot in a little while, but, you know, it takes a while.
Interesting. I heard that cooking rice is a very dangerous, tedious, and time-consuming activity.
Well, you know, after you've traveled to China and hiked up the highest peaks to learn from their master senseis, but the skills like me and Jordan...
The rice senseis?
Yes, the rice senseis.
Can you tell me a little bit about the rice senseis?
Well, they're an ancient tribe born in the early 1600s, and they cultivated the activity of cooking rice at Panda Express. And that...
They had Panda Express in the 1600s.
That is when it was invented.
So do you guys...
1600 AD.
Wow. After death. Unbelievable. Wow, let me just get a look at what you're doing right here. Look at this well-seasoned wok.
Very well seasoned.
Unbelievable. So, Jordan, what are you doing over here?
I am standing to make sure that stand does not catch on fire.
Yeah, awesome. Can you tell me a little bit about your rice sensei experience when you went to the top of those mountains?
Oh my gosh, it was so beautiful up there. Just the view.
That's it? Just the view? Was there a lot of rice in the view? Oh, Sam, what do we got going here, pal?
Oh, we got some really fluffy eggs. It's okay. You know, this is how it starts, and then the swelling goes down a little bit, and they become this beautiful creation.
Right, because you have really good hands.
Right. Next, we have the vegetable.
Oh, wow.
Then we start tossing it.
Wow, look at those hands.
We've already set off a smoke alarm.
Welcome back to Walk Warriors. I'm Jordan.
And I'm Sam.
Let's get cooking.
Alright.
We'll follow Sam over here to the wok. Oh, cranking up the grill here. Look at those flames. Got them good hands. So, Sam, can you explain to me what you're doing right here?
Right now I'm chopping up and warming up the rice.
Now, is this the identical process they used back in 1600 AD?
Well, no, it's altered a little bit since then.
Why?
Well, we have higher technology levels, and for example, this handle was not here back in 1600 AD.
Did they even have woks back in 1600 AD?
They did, but they were much smaller. About the fraction of the size of this one. So as you can see, it's much harder to cook a lot of rice on those. So what would happen is they would stack the rice up into the sky, sometimes ranging up to 2 to 3 feet tall. At that point, they would use the forks to keep it all in position.
Unbelievable.
Now, this is something only the monks of the Tibetan mountains of Panda Express had mastered, and it is very difficult to actually do without a larger wok.
That's really interesting. So I have a question.
Yes, go for it.
So if 1 grain of rice accumulated every half a second for an entire year, what would be the fate of the earth?
Well, I'd like to say that I'm assuming that everyone would die.
Why?
Now, our reasoning behind this is that the cubic properties of 1 gram of rice is approximately 0.003 square inches. So, in 1 year, if this all accumulated, it would cover the entire globe, suffocating and killing everyone.
Fair enough. Is that an everybody dies TM kind of
Yes,
thing?
that is everyone dies trademark kind of thing.
Why do we trademark it?
Well, you know, it's another one of those sayings also from 1600 AD when it was first prophesized that everyone would die. And ever since then, it's been trademarked.
Wow. I think I just learned a lot about cooking and science today.
Good.
We'll be back right after this break. Guy Fieri. And it's...
Welcome to Men in the Kitchen. This is Jordan.
Hold on, what happened to Walk Warriors? That's alright, Men in the Kitchen's great.
That's what she said.
Wait, what did you prepare here?
Now this is fried rice.
Really?
Now, this is a signature dish originally invented in 1631. And the original recipe actually contained high levels of opiates, but we've cut that out for our viewers' purposes.
And now, we shall have a taste.
Alright, now we're going to have our assistant, Sam Jr., come in and taste the rice.
Hello. I'm scared. Yeah. Delicious.
Wow. Unbelievable. We have two after-death Walk Warriors and Men in the Kitchen here.
It's actually...
Yeah, it's better than I thought.
Use some soy sauce.
Yeah.
Is it not good?
We'll be back after this. Let's see how this turned out.
And here we are, ready for a review from the pristine Englishman, William Bannerson. He's all the way here from Whittingshire, England.
Unbelievable.
He got his culinary degree in Scotland, and he's an
What do you
absolute genius.
I am an absolute genius. Absolutely correct, Samuel. Unbelievable. I'm gonna give a tremendous review on this. I'm sure it's horrendous, but we'll find out. Well, here goes nothing.
And the rice is in the pocket. The judge is eagerly waiting in a verdict.
Absolutely tremendous. Well done. I had no idea that the Chinese did it so well. Unbelievable. The 1600-year-old method, unbelievable. First of its kind. I've never seen this before. Tremendous. Absolutely unbelievable.
And the review is good. Let's see the shining faces of our cook. He's so happy. He's gotten a prestigious review.
Welcome to Cupcake Wars. I'm Joe.
We're here to show you how to clean the wok and interrupt each other.
Yeah, mate.
We'll walk over here to the walk, and we'll follow,
Jeez. Wow. Well, his elbow was adding right towards it.
So what are we doing here? What is this tool you're using that's squirting out this water?
Well, this is also a 16th century invention. It's called a faucet. And,
Really?
what we're going to do is we're going to cool down the surface of the wok before cleaning.
Unbelievable. So can you tell me? Can you just give me a little bit of what's going on here? I see so much movement, and it's just unbelievable.
Well, this
it's
is
fascinating.
called rippling waves. This is what happens when certain frequencies hit water and cause it to move. And right now I'm just scraping the debris off the bottom.
Debris.
Well, in England, we say things differently.
Really. Fascinating.
Welcome to Rachel Ray. I'm Jordan.
And I'm Sam.
Now, we are going to crack these eggs
Like our enemies.
in this bowl.
Is there any technique that you use to crack the eggs?
Well, yes, we use a 16th century technique called bang it on the sides until it snaps and then insert your thumbs and pull it apart. As as you can see right now I'm doing the banging, and now it's snapped, and insert the thumbs and pull. It's simple. Unless you're an imbecile. Then it gets a little hard.
We'll be back after this short commercial. Welcome to Flower Hour. I'm Jordan.
And I'm Sam, and we're operating with maximum flour power.
Now, do not try this at home.
You could burn your eyebrows.
Wait, could you tell me why not try it at home? I'm a little concerned now.
We are trained professionals. and
Obviously.
This could be very dangerous. You could get eggs, flour in your eyes, and it could sting.
Especially the pepper.
Oh my gosh.
If you've ever been peppered sprayed, which I have.
We have, yes.
Yeah, many times. It's not something you want to have in your eyes. So what I'm creating is a rough batter from eggs.
Wow, look at that whisk. Just the technique. Let's get a shot on his wrist here. Show you guys his technique.
Yeah, you just gotta make sure you get the flick of the wrist down, and you're set.
How long did it take to master the flick of the wrist?
You know,
say anything.
about 10 years.
10 years. Why so long?
Well, you know, it's something that you can master in about 3 minutes, but to actually perfect the mastery, 10 years.
Interesting.
10 years.
But then again, I could have changed my plates and it's on the
So now we're gonna batter these up. And this is gonna take a bit of time. But it'll all be worth it in the end.
That looks absolutely disgusting.
Don't worry. I know what I'm doing. I'm a trained professional.
10 years in the making.
10 years. And 5 of them just for flour.
So this right here in this bowl, this white powdery angel dust looking thing, well
that's
it
kinda
actually
cool.
looks like this. Wow. So pink.
So real. But yes, we're gonna have to go through a bit of a time lapse here, considering this is gonna take us close to 12 years to get done, but we'll meet y'all after the commercial break.
Is that an Everybody Dies TM?
It might be, if we do it wrong. So stand by.
And we're back in here with screw-ups in the kitchen. And what we do here is we specialize in screwing things up. As you can see, just, it's a mess. Sam, why don't you show me your hands? No, I can't see them. Let me get a zoom in on those. Oh my god. Wow. Wow.
Yes, as you can see, I'm a trained professional. And this is just how it goes, sometimes.
Sometimes even the best of us screw up.
Sometimes.
And it's alright.
It is alright. Patience is a virtue.
Well, like Elon Musk once said, a well thought out critique is as good as gold.
Very true. Very true.
Beautiful texture.
So Jordan, can you just explain what we have here in this bowl?
Well, we have chicken.
Really?
Yes.
Just chicken?
Yes.
Not even special chicken?
No.
Is it organic?
Well, it came from an animal, so.
Wow, that's reassuring.
Thank you.
What does the FDA feel about your guys' methods from the 16th century?
The FDA can suck it. But personally, I think they're very supportive.
Yes.
But they can still suck.
We actually have an FDA member in the crowd. Not only Sam Jr.
Not only an assistant, but also an FDA supervisor at the highest rungs of the government.
Yes.
Fascinating.
And now we are going to put the chicken in the fryer. This is very dangerous.
Do not attempt this in your homestead.
Okay.
probably deep fried more than I.
Oh my god, just got a full bowl. Not like that. We're all gonna die.
Just knocked the handle off the fryer. Oh!
Oh, you knocked the handle off? Welcome back to Top Chef. I'm your host, Sam, and let's go over to my associate, Jordan, and co-host, who is now making orange chicken. Now, this practice was actually just recently invented in 1713, and the advent of the orange chicken sauce made this possible to create such wonders as this.
Unbelievable. Alright, and I think it is ready to eat.
And here's the chef, all by himself, alone. The walk warrior has done it. He has achieved a feat never achieved before, as he indulges upon orange chicken. How is it?
It's fantastic.
Why is it unique?
Well, by combining 17th century methods with the modern wok over there, we've created a dish that is not only spontaneous, but beautiful and aesthetically pleasing.
And why are you better than the competition?
Why am I better than the competition?
What is
Can
your
the
competitive
competition
edge?
do this?
Let me see what this is.
Beautiful presentation, separation of the rice grains. Cooking is art.
Fascinating. Well, why don't you take a bite and tell us how it is?